but I'm finally back with another video, and I'm so excited because today is going to be a little quick hair tutorial. Well, I don't know if it's going to be a hair tutorial or not, girl. We're going to have to see, but stay tuned for this video if you want to see a peek at my wig collection, and if you also want to see how the Revlon hair blow dryer works out for me. Stay tuned. So today, y'all, I'm going to be showing you guys a wig from my wig collection, the 1013 Studios wig collection I have with me here today. But I'm also going to be using this bad boy. This is the Revlon Power something, girl. Power of a dryer, volume of a styler, girl. That's what it says on the bar. Kind of gives you the effect of like a blowout type of deal, and I hadn't quite seen anybody try these on like a wig, so I really wanted to be maybe potentially the first person. I don't know. I haven't seen anybody do this on a wig. Ooh, she's giving on camera. Like, she's giving. Like, look, baby. So let's snap her on. She does have an adjustable elastic band.
Purchase your tracks today.
The baby hairs are on, they're popping. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap this down just to make sure that it doesn't move while we're using the blow dryer, okay? Oh God, I hate doing this. Y'all seen I got all done up for y'all? To be honest, girl, I just seen the girls on TikTok doing this. I really don't know what I'm doing. This is one of those TikTok made me buy it situations. So I kind of know what look I want. I just really want some volume, and I really want the hair to stay out of my face.
Purchase your tracks today.
Girl, oh God, I don't know what I'm doing, baby. Ooh.
Wonder, 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 wonder.
Okay guys, so this is the end of the tutorial. Now I don't know what you guys were expecting. This was kind of the look that I'm going for, just really relaxed. I don't know if I really like my hair bone straight anymore. I do like it to have a little bit of volume, so this is kind of what I was looking for the blow dryer to do. I wasn't looking for like curls, but this is just an effect that the flat iron for whatever reason is not giving me, and I'm really happy. Don't know if I'll do this a lot with the hair just because I don't want to damage it, but definitely it was a great investment if you are somebody that just is looking for like a different look. I like how this looks, so definitely hit up TheBeauty. That's where I got the blow dryer from. It is the Revlon cylinder airbrush. I will show it to you again. This is worth it. It made the styling so quick, and like I said, I did press my hair out first, so but I only went over it like once. I didn't press it out a whole lot, but yeah, definitely went. And my hair is in long layers, so if anybody is wondering. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, and don't forget to click like, comment, share, subscribe. That helps me out so much. And yeah, leave me a comment if you really enjoyed this video, and let me know what you guys want to see me do next, because I'm running out of stuff. Like always, this is Myah TheBeauty, and I'm signing off, and I will see you guys in the next video.